Oh, hey. What's up, you guys? My name is Delilah. If you don't know already, I'm a freelance makeup artist when I'm not working my regular job. My channel is mainly on beauty, but we do like to have a little fun over here. We like makeup, skincare, fashion, lifestyle, and today we're going to be doing our nails. So I am finally updating my how to always stay pretty and polished series. We're going to be doing our nails today. We're going to be doing the Gel X method. Oh wait, no. Okay, I have to put you on. I took a break and grew my nails out, and I bought this. This is a hard to resist nail strengthener from Essie. I ordered it on Amazon. I'll leave it down. Oh, actually, oh my god, I just made an Amazon storefront. So if you guys are interested, everything that I use today is from Amazon. Like every single fucking thing. Like Amazon has become a problem because I'm always on that shit. It's terrible. And if you guys don't know, I have a series on here. So yeah, if you guys don't know about this series is basically showing you different ways on how to always look polished and pretty. Also always look polished and pretty on a budget, because look, some women can't always get their nails done. Most of the time, yes, I do like my nails, but when I first get them done, I don't like it. They kind of grow on me. They start to get expensive, and I don't like the fact that even when I'm like 1 minute late, 2 minutes late to my appointment, they're already kicking me out the chair and putting someone else in there. Like that shit is fucking crazy. I've been practicing. I got a lot better. So today we're not going to be adding any tips. Actually do my own nails, because like I said, I've been growing out my nails. The Essie hardening nail polish has really been helping me strengthen my nails. I don't really have issues growing them, because when I was a little girl, I used to use this clear nail polish that had pieces of garlic in it, and supposedly that helped your nail grow. I just always used that clear garlic polish because that was the one that my mom had on deck. So our fingernails were smelling like garlic, but our nails were long as fuck. And now I don't need it anymore because my nails just grow rapidly fast all the time. I'm gonna show you guys some beautiful, elegant, almond, oval, however you want to call it, nails, the trend that's going on right now. And yeah, I'm super excited to show you guys. So let's get started with the video. So like I said, I started out with the Essie hardening gel polish, but I only used that 2 days before I was doing my nails so that it can really do its job. And then I'm just removing that with my pure acetone. You don't have to use pure acetone, that's just my acetone of choice. The next product I'm going to use is a Sally Hansen cuticle remover. I'm not going to be cutting my cuticles today because I did that a few days ago. We're just going to be pushing them back so that the gel polish could sit a lot nicer on our nail. Apply it onto the cuticles. Read the back of the bottle for instructions. I think it says to leave it on for 10 to 15 seconds, and then you can start pushing your cuticles back. Once you do this, you're going to start to see all the dead skin piling up on the cuticle pusher. Now you're going to take your base gel coat and you're going to apply a thin layer on your clean nails. And then you're going to cure it in the LED light for 30 seconds. I don't know how to pronounce this gel polish brand for nothing, but remember, I'm gonna leave my Amazon storefront in the description box, so all the colors are gonna be in my Amazon storefront so that you guys could check it out. But this is basically just a milky sheer pink gel polish. It isn't a very strong opaque. Like, to get it I don't even think you can really get this gel polish opaque. It's just one of those that's very, very sheer. And that's the kind of look that I'm going for. And just repeat this step like 2 or 3 times. Okay, now we're up to the designs. I'm using my Beetles gel polish in white. We're gonna do a like French tip, and I'm gonna add maybe some diamonds and glitter on one of the nails. I repeated that step on each and every nail, cured it. Now we're gonna add some glitter. Again, these colors will be on my Amazon storefront. It's you and me and we making arrangements. Is it hot in here or is it? That's something that's not added on my Amazon storefront, but I'm gonna do that. Also, I used the Beetles nail glue that came with the whole Beetles Gel X nail kit, so don't worry about buying those individually. I also bought that tool, that dotting tool from Amazon as well. Basically what I'm gonna do, I just put a dots of glue on each of my nail. I pick up the jewel with the dotter tool and I just place it right on my nail. It's so freaking easy. Okay, finally we're done with the whole process. Now we're just gonna take our top coat to make it nice and glossy and shiny. Cure that, put some cuticle oil, some lotion, whatever you may have, and you're all done. Alright you guys, that's it for the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a beautiful positive comment down below, and I'll see you guys soon.